Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we are in Dollar General and it's a lot of stuff in here, but I want to stop. You know what? Let's start off down here and work our way down. It's some Easter, it's some water toys and all type of stuff. Look, they have the H2O glows. Those are $5. The bluey ball is $3. The snorkel is $8. Some water balls for $1. The goggles. Look at the dive ring. Oh, they have some beach towels. These are $10. Tie-dye. Some smiley faces. Look at the strawberries. What's that? Pizza. All of these 10. Yep. Get this one with the sharks on it. This one is unicorns. A unicorn. This one is flowers. Oh, these are $5. Those and these. These are $6. Fully insulated fridge pack. I'm sorry if it's gonna seem like it's all over the place, but I'm gonna literally just browse through and go down and show y'all as I see it. These are $12. They like I got all the summer stuff jam packed over here. These are cute. The butterflies. Some washcloths. These are $5. Some shark shoes. Some PJs for $5. Bobby and Brooks. Butterflies, the bow. Some shorts, pants. These slippers are $5. More of those. Treasure hunt dives for $5. The pool is $15. That one is $15. There's some skateboards. Some more of the H2Os. Oh, look at the what are those? The life jackets. H2O, those are $5. Water guns are $3. Some more clogs, $5. They have them in purple. I picked these up for the girls yesterday. The strawberry milk and the orange pineapple, the crazy slime. Those are $5. Some of the buckets are $3. Oh, they have Moana. Let's see. I didn't see her yesterday. Moana, this is $5. I told y'all it's literally, I'm gonna just show y'all in the order it's here. $1. These. Some of the Castle Bill buckets, some more clogs. The knee boards, some bubbles. Oh, look at this little super soaker. That's cute for $5. The big shot is $10. Some of the boards are $5. Look at the cups. A lot of water bottles. I think these are so cute. It's a skate, head in the clouds, a flower. These little bottles are $1. These are glass. The little spoon is plastic. $1. Glass containers. Some more cups. More cups. Look at that bubble wand with a spin wheel. All right, chalk. Sun's Out chalk, some more water guns. More chalk. Bluey blower. More chalk and bubbles. Wait, does this say scented? Scented bubbles. But what's the scent? Premium formula. I guess they're all scented. It doesn't say. Look, a little cute little bubble fan. Some balls. Up here, let's see the Easter eggs. The little cute peeps. This is $2. Peeps plushies for $5. Some of the spring party dinnerware. These are $1. These slippers are $8. There's some grass. Oh, look at the rainbow corn. The rainbow corn is a bunny corn. The llamas are $3. Those plush Easters are $3. The bunnies are $3. Some eggs, some candy. Those baskets are $5. There's some ears. Candy. These are $1. I feel like I need to go to another Dollar General. It's probably not gonna happen today though, but I am gonna peek into another one. Bloom where you are planted. That blue. SpongeBob, some baskets. Some more stuffies, candy. It's cute. Sold in the strawberry. These are $1. Carrot, toast. Those are $3. And some baskets. Okay, let's go on the other side. It's some, what do you call it? Some spring decor. These gnomes are $3. There's some gnomes. This is like what, a rain measurer, right? Yeah, $3. It's the pig, the cow, $3. The orange. Get the fairies. These are up on the top shelf. The stones, some candles, hummingbirds. These are $8. Lemon citrus and jasmine blossom. There's very vanilla cupcake, ocean driftwood, old-fashioned donuts. These are $5. Sugar vanilla berries and very vanilla cupcake. Get those fairies. Oh, look at the little castle back here. I mean, the little horse and carriage. That's cute. $3. And then this one. Look at this. Gnomes. Look at those gnomes. Those little. These have to be $1. Yep, $1. Mushroom. A little tree. These are $1. Some more of the stones. So look at them. Some more candles. These are $1. The steaks. Uh-oh. I knew that was gonna happen. Hold on, y'all. Ladybug. I see a ladybug, a butterfly. Welcome to my home, $1. I say the same thing. Little froggies. Some more of the little fairies. How much are these? Oh, these are $5. It's a ladybug, a bee, house, frog, a gnome.
He got it. He got it. Come on, Baba. Look, Puppy. He got it. He already got it. I got this right here. Look, I got it for you. You see?
Look at the dogs and the fairies.
Put that one down.
The hose pipe is $12.
Here, I'll help you. Yeah.
That boot is $1. The planter. These are $5. They have some of the solar lights. $5. And those are $1 down here. $1 a piece. They have some cute ones with the flowers on them. We'll get to them. Folding fence is $2. The pump spray is $10. Those fences are $1. Some of the garden tools. Decorative stake. Bloom. Grow. Some of the cute gloves. Watering leaves. Some novelty friends. Laugh, love, grow, $3. The mushrooms are $3. That is 12, 8, 5, 4, 3. There's some of the potting soil. My grandmother used to always be like, go water my flowers. She used to always have a nice big water pot. $6. I need to hurry up and get back south and give me a little garden. Look at those, the insect killers, all kind of stuff. Yep. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Those are $7. Now how much are the little ones? $3. Some potting soil, and here's the other solar stakes lights. Those are $1 with the designs on them. Those are $3. Those on the end, 5. These are 5. 5. Those are 3. Some more of the lights. Oh, these are so cute. $5. Reusable seed starters. If y'all looking for anything plants and all of that stuff, where are we? Dollar General. More of the mushrooms. Those cushions, the little pillows are $5, and the whole cushions are $16. Some little benches. The grills are $15. 30 can camo cooler for $10. Lighters. Some ice chests. right. That wasn't so bad. Bloom and Plant, those are $5. These are $5. $1. The wood sticks, these are $1. Those are $5 and $5. Let's see, I see something right here. Some of the pictures. And look at the Suave. These are new, so it's Ocean Breeze, Coconut Kiss, Strawberry Delight, Juicy Green Apple, Mango and Citrus, and White Tea and Lavender. Oh, there's some Suave Men Stress Relief. Those are all of these are 3. It's Stress Relief, Refreshing Body Wash. There's some 3-in-1 Peach and 3-in-1 Pearly Fun. Suave Kids. Suave Keratin Infusion, Biotin Infusion, Moisturizing, Repairing, Strengthening. And then Rose Oil Infused, Collagen Infused, Macaron Oil Infused, and then there's 2-in-1 Ocean Charge, Marine and Driftwood scent. And this one is Lavender and Cedarwood scent. Oh, they have some of the body collagens here now in Dollar General. Cherry Blossom. What's this one? Coconut Hibiscus. Those are $5. And some more little Easter basket fillers. That's $1. What is this? A tic-tac-toe game. Some of the pins. Cute bows. Let me check one more row before we head out. Because I just saw that stuff and I just had to come back and show y'all what they had. RGB fairy lights for $5. Some light bars. The heart. I see LED changing light bulb. Headset and speaker. This is $15. These are $10. Got these cute slippers for $8. Says for the culture, the smiley faces. The cowboy hat and the boot. We're gonna look at these flowers, and that's gonna be it for us in this Dollar General. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video, browsing around. I know it was kind of quick. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more shopping trips, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, look at these. These are outside. Well, they were here as I walked in, but I guess I walked in so fast. Margaritaville. And some pool noodles, of course. I'll look at some more of the outside mats. The door just open and closing. These mats are $20, and the flower pots are $3. Some of the cute little chairs for $10. Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Spider-Man, and those are $20.